Alright, very short video. We started out on the bus for those people who couldn't ride bikes, too old, don't have a bike here, things like that. The bus has been running on this VOCA rally. Unfortunately, about 5 minutes into the run, we received a phone call to say there'd been a serious accident between a rigid and a truck. We believe only probably less than 20 kilometres into the ride. I just received advice that the rider is definitely not in a good state, undergoing CPR, rescue helicopter has arrived, and things are definitely not looking good. So that's all the information we have. It'd be a sad end to the VOCA 2024 rally, and we'll let you know if we get any more information. But motorcycles and trucks definitely do not mix well.